It's important to know that assessment criteria are made clear in advance. Firstly, you can find out what the assessments are for a module through the module specification. Module specifications are approved by the faculty before being published on the Student Intranet. These show lots of important information about modules, such as the module aims, learning outcomes, syllabus, teaching activities, and assessment tasks. For instance, this module has 3 assessments: an exam, a presentation, and an essay. Once you begin a module, when an assessment task is set, staff will publish detailed assessment criteria showing how the task will be assessed. This might look something like this, which shows the different elements of the work and what is needed to pass or achieve higher grades in the assignment. It's important to carefully review assessment criteria when you start out on a new piece of work, to check what is needed. Take time to understand what's important and are clear on what you need to do. This helps you plan your time effectively so you can focus on what matters, getting the best grade you can.